Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Lamb shish kebab on the menu today. So, some cubed lamb, chopped onions, chopped garlic, rosemary, cumin, salt, lemon juice and some olive oil. Really simple, this one. So we're going to get ourselves a mixing bowl. Everything goes in, give it a mix, and you want to leave this for at least 2 hours. I always find overnight is best. Pop that in the fridge. Overnight, fantastic. Very simply, what we're going to do is we're now going to get our meat, put it onto some metal skewers. Now, if you're going to be using wooden or bamboo skewers, make sure that you soak them first, otherwise they're going to really burn. So easy, on they go, and then really easily they go onto the barbecue, or if you want, onto a flat skillet on the stovetop. So the balance of the onion marination, don't throw that away, because we're going to be adding that as we cook our barbecue. Delicious. I really love these ones. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will see you soon. Lots of love.